Guys, we're gonna make a creamy lemon garlic sauce that's perfect to toss it with pasta, a quick skillet chicken, and so much more. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I cook lots of family-friendly recipes and share lots of how to cook videos with you. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. Today, we're making an easy sauce, but I share 2 videos a week and so much more. I'm gonna start by chopping up a shallot. Shallots are cousins with onions, so you could also use a little bit of an onion. A little bit goes a long way to add flavor. I used to think that making these sauces in a pan was like really fancy or hard to do, so I just like pan-sear my chicken and focus on making my chicken really good. But you know what? I'm gonna show you how easy it is to transform your chicken and your pasta meals. And I'm gonna start by melting some butter right onto my pan. Garlic and butter is so good, and it's also the base of the sauce. To my butter, I'm going to add that finely chopped shallot right into the pan. We want to saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the shallot is nice and soft, it becomes translucent, it smells so good already. And at this point, now I'm gonna take my minced garlic and add it into the pan. Now, if you hate chopping garlic, I get you. I have an entire video on how to do the job really quickly, really fast, and also how to make garlic paste and freeze it. So what we wanna do is toast up that onion and garlic together, and then we're going to make the sauce itself. Now, I'm using some chicken broth to give it some liquid, but you can also make this sauce after you've pan-seared some chicken breasts in your pan, and all those little tidbits will be there and add even more flavor. So this garlic and onion, they're looking really good. I'm gonna add the chicken broth and also a lemon. I started to juice half of it, but then I thought, oh, might as well juice it with you. If your lemons are cold in the fridge and they're not getting as much juice as you want, put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and you'll extract so much juice. So when you add the lemon and that chicken broth, you wanna bring this sauce to a simmer. So to add flavor to the sauce, I'm gonna add some thyme. You can use fresh thyme or dried thyme, both work. What you want to do is give it some herbs in there. So like lemon, garlic, and herb, so much better. Give everything a good stir. Now that I've brought this to a simmer, as you can see, I'm going to add my half and half. The trick to adding half and half to any sauce that's hot is to heat up the half and half in the microwave first, so when you add it to the pan, it is already warm so it doesn't curdle and separate. And you wanna add it slowly while simmering, and let's continue stirring and bring it to a simmer. All right, guys, check it out. I'm gonna give it one last stir before I cover it with a lid and reduce the heat to low and let it simmer in here for about 10 minutes. This is gonna thicken up our sauce, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and how to know when it's done. All right, guys, this sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. There's less sauce of it. You'll notice that it's thicker in consistency as you stir it. Now, of course, since we do have butter and milk and all this, there is some separation, but that's okay. If you want to make this sauce even thicker, you can just keep simmering it for another 5 minutes to evaporate the rest of the moisture in the sauce, and then it'll be nice and thick. Of course, you can also make a quick slurry, which is cornstarch and a little bit of cold water, add it to the pan, mix it, and there you go. But for me, this is good enough to take some pan-seared chicken and add it back into the pan, toss it all around. Guys, if you wanna see how I use this sauce and transform my chicken, I'm gonna share that with you in another video. See you next time.